Hello everyone, my name is Alex. I'm here with another HSB Academy tutorial session. With the release of hsbDesign 27 for Revit, we have some new features that we'd like to share with you. Today, we're going to be looking at something called the Update tool, which you'll find within a lot of these tools right here on our ribbon. So the way that this tool is going to work is it's going to allow you to, as it says, update the tool without necessarily having to reframe the entire panel that we have. So for my example, I'm going to use the structural blocking and I'll also do point load. So first, let's start by inserting the structural blocking family. Let me place this at 6 feet, centered, and do it on both sides, oriented flat, and let's pick 2x6 as my family. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to pick my item container and I'm going to hit finish. This is going to go ahead and add the family for our blocking. And typically, what you're used to is just hitting the generate button in order for it to recalculate and give us our blocking. Now though, our team has gone ahead and added something that when you select this family, you'll have something here called the update tool and the remove tool. So the way this is going to work is I can only update the blocking itself without necessarily, as I mentioned before, generating the entire panel. So let's go ahead and do something. Perhaps I remove a stud here, and I will also, let's say, raise the elevation to 7 feet. Hit apply. So now, instead of hitting the generate button, I'm going to go ahead and just hit update tool. So that's going to recalculate. It's going to notice that I have a stud missing and also that I have moved my blocking up a foot. Right there. Something else that we can do is I'm going to go ahead and add the point load to show you that this works, as I mentioned, on the tools that we have here on the ribbon. So for the pocket, for the vent. Let's add some 2x6 as well. I want 3 of them. I'm going to hit OK, pick my own container, and let's place it over here. So same thing. Instead of hitting the generate button for the entire panel, I can just select this and hit update. So it's going to go ahead, it's going to drop in my 3 studs. And then we're going to go in here and notice something. So the blocking here is going through it. That's fine. Once again, I can pick my blocking and just hit the update tool. This will recalculate. It's going to notice now that we have that point load in the way, and it's going to cut our blocking into 2 pieces on either side. So adding the update tool will make it a much more manual process when it comes to updating what you've added to your wall. So the user can be confident that when he is ready to make a change and ready to frame, let's say, the point load or the structural blocking, you'll be able to select these families in question and then hit update. You can always select multiple as well. For example, if I copy this, so now I should have 2. Let me just change the direction, or sorry, the elevation for one of these to be, let's say, 4 feet. Hit apply. And then I'll move this one up even more to 8 feet. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab both, and I'm going to hit update. And then that's going to recalculate just the blocking families right here. And there we go. So both of them are now placed. So that'll be it for this week's tutorial session. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time for another video.